Okay, I'm going to try
You're the
this.
turkey.
I'm going to try this again and see if I can't tape this guy saying what he's supposed to say. Can you talk?
I can talk. Can you fly?
Hey, what?
Help! I've been kidnapped by a Studebaker.
Tommy.
Gimme beak, gimme beak, gimme beak, gimme beak!
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
You're the turkey.
Do you do tricks? Do you do tricks? Apparently he doesn't want to say those, so if you ask
Hey,
him,
Eagle Eye, where are you?
if you ask him, are you hungry? He's supposed to say,
Jack in the Box.
and do you do tricks? And he's supposed to say,
I can eat with my pecker, can you?
he does random sayings of, hey baby, let me out, weenie, weenie, weenie.
You're the turkey.
You're the turkey. Hey Eagle Eye, where are you? And he also says, hey Pam. And that is in the custom speech mode that he will do all that stuff. Now if you turn him over into mix, then he responds, cover his eyes, and you say peekaboo. Well, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
I see you.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
I can't see you.
Peekaboo.
Where'd you go?
And let's see.
I love you.
He gives kiss, kiss.
Oh, gross.
Are you hungry?
I'm hungry. Oh. Oh.
Uh-oh. He's got the hiccups. The only way to get rid of him is to touch him on the back and then he burps. Good night.
Good night.
Time to wake up.
Hi there.
Hi there. You want to dance? Can you dance? You want to dance?
You're the turkey.
Well, you can also put him on the remote,
I'm hungry.
the repeat after me. You push repeat
after me.
and he says repeat after me.
And he says repeat after me.
So everything I say, he repeats back to me.
Everything I say, he repeats.
Every time he squawks, he records again, and here we go. So if you laugh, you can get him laughing.
He records again, and here.
Now he's picking up Crappy barking in the backyard.
Now he's picking picking up Crappy barking in the backyard.
He will imitate anybody until you
He will imitate anybody until you
push reset.
Whatever.
And then he goes back to his mode. Well, I wanted to show you how he dances. So, here we go.
Music.
He's waiting. If he hears a beat, he'll dance to that. If not, he will do his own song. And this is his song. After a few times, he gets a little annoying, so his tongue, you push down it to shut him off, or there's a sensor right there to get him to quit. What's so endearing is he kisses you, and then if you pet him, he coos. Isn't that cute? He responds to touch and to light. There you go. That's Squawkers. You can name him whatever you want.